First we read the problem. Rain gauge station D was inoperative for part of a month during which a storm occurred. The storm rainfall recorded in the three surrounding stations A, B, and C were 8.5, 6.7, and 9.0 centimeter respectively. If the AAR, that is annual average rainfall for the stations are 75, 84, 70, and 90 centimeter respectively. Estimate storm rainfall at station D. Solution: by equating the ratios of storm rainfall to the annual average rainfall at each station, the storm rainfall at station D PD is estimated as, that is, storm rainfall 8.5 by divided by 75 is equal 6.7 for B and 84 for B is equal 9.0 by 70 is equal, that is the that is PD by divided by 90. So the average value of PD is equal 1/3 8.5 by 75 into 90 plus 6.7 by 84 into 90 plus 9.0 by 70 into 90 is equal 9.65 centimeter. Here's the given value is for storm rainfall is 3, that is 1 by 3 A, B, C, and if we multiply 90 for every storm rainfall and added all the three, then we got the average value of PD, that is storm rainfall at station D. So we got the value is 9.65 centimeter. Next video we will discuss about this math. It is a very important math and it's so easy to understand.